So I just shut off the second floor, and I haven't heard the banging coming through the house that I'd heard before. Interesting what's going on with this gas line. There was a room here that we ripped out. You can see it was not really a room, but it was like all louvers. But it's interesting the way all this gas line is done. I can hear it starting to make noises again. Looks like, I guess it still thinks it needs to heat up. I don't know if any of these pumps are, dining room's not calling for anything. It may be that the addition is now, this one's got some vibrations in it, but as does this one. This one's warm. Okay, so it's shutting off. So now this is where I'm gonna expect to hear the funky noises. I don't really know what's going on, but I want to try to get some of this on video. Okay. Ow, that's hot. This here. Definitely this. That pipe is crazy hot. Definitely all coming in that thing right there. I don't know if there's supposed to be more. In any case, that thing is loud. So maybe we need something a little bit more like that to replace that thing. I don't know. I think that I've even heard worse sounds that made it sound like it was shaking the whole house.